I bring one ogbonge information for you, and I know say by the time we are finished, you go happily shake me with your 2 hands. Our people say the best place to relax now when you enter toilet to go poo. But of recent, we hear say snake don't they find their way, they pass through the sewage pipe, go perch for toilet, wait for anybody wey wan come poo. For you and you, oga landlord and me, where we dey build house, we go build house, and we dey plan to build house. Abeg, e get the product wey oyibo don put 1 + 1 together equals to 2, and wetin be this product? Na snake stopper. If you enter your toilet, you poo, you no need to fear say snake dey there. Our people say prevention is better than cure, and oyibo people say as you dey fix your toilet, make you fix snake stopper at the same time. In case you dey fear say you go spend akpalakpala, no think am at all. You no even need to call plumber, you go fit do am by yourself. E dey very easy to fix. Just connect am to the flexible tube wey you attach to the toilet sink and to the pipe. How e dey work? When you flush every nyama from your toilet, snake stopper go open mouth and all the nyama go pass through the pipe into the soakaway, and snake stopper go close immediately. Thereby, it don't block snake from penetrating into your toilet. 2 things now they make snake enter toilet. 1, when it dey pursue rat for food. Secondly, when heat too much and they look for cold place where water dey to hide. Use snake stopper attached to your toilet to save life. Abeg, watch the remaining video to see how it dey work. My name na E to the X to the P, expensive himself. Any other one is a counterfeit. Snake stopper, number 1.